buhay. Buwis buhay, guys. Ayan. Ayan, change costume. Si Cho na yan, guys. Change costume. The stone is so sharp, guys. Oh, Shell, what are you going to do? Cook, cook. You cook. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, they're picking shell, guys.
Okay.
Picking shell. Where's Chona? Hoy, Chona! Baka mahulog ka dyan, ah.
Okay, 谢谢你啊。
Wow, what's that? Fish? Oh, eel!
哪里海参啊？
Ah,
死了。
let me see. What's this? What's this?
哎呦，我拍
Sea
一个海参。
cucumber. Sea cucumber. Sea cucumber.
哇，这么大头的海参，捡到了，
这还真的有海鲜大餐吃了。
Still alive.
真的好。
Sea cucumber.
真的是海参啊，活的。
哎，为什么这？
Ano na, Chona? Anong sinusulat ni ang Kongkong here? Ayan, nagsusulat si Kongkong. Yes. Uy, may nahuli siyang isda, oh. Ha? Wow. Doon, oh, doon, oh. Na? Tingin tayo dito. Wait, Chona, tingnan mo, ang daming ano, oh.
Sige, shoot mo ako. Shoot mo kita. Alam mo, ikaw lang marunong mag-shoot, ah. Chona, picture mo ako dun, oh.
Yeah, baba tayo doon sa may ano.
Dun, oh. Aakyat ako dun, ah. Gaganon ako, picture mo. Chona. Yan ang pusing mo. Video mo nga ako. Ay, nag-video ka, te?
Oo.
Nag-video ka din dyan.
Oo.
Tapos na. Ano pa gusto mo? Hindi siya pwede magbabate.
Hindi doon sa kabila.
Pwede, hindi pwede. Kasi may ganyan.
Hindi pwede.
Doon, no? Doon sa bato.
Hindi pwede. Kasi sinaraduhan nila. Hindi pa nila open. Hindi pa sila nag-open. You make it. What's this? Oh, it's a cat. Ay. It's a cat. Wow, so cute. How about this one? Turtle. Turtle, right? And this is?
The cat is pushing the back and the back is trying to
Wow, so nice. And what's this? That's a tiny one.
the mouse.
Wow. Teka lang, ang galing niyang bata, oh. Turtle. Wow. And you make this. Who made this? Wow, awesome. Wow. You're good. Is this a lady? Maybe this is her girlfriend. Huh? No. Oh. This is, what's this? Crab. Wow. It's really nice. It's really nice. You made it, very good.
Make this?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh. Yeah, she's very, talented. And then now, what are you making now? Oh, it's a fish and?
Apple.
Wow. You're so good. Galing nga, no? Wow, ang galing. Oh, talented.
Ang galing, ang hirap yung babae.
Yeah. Nagpi-fishing sila, guys. Guys, look. Wow. It's a lot of fish. This is the one they catch. Yeah. It's a lot. This is the one they put in there. There. Wow, there's a lot, guys. Oh, there's a lot. She cuts a lot. Wow. Look. Wow. She cuts a lot. This is the one they catch.
Chị Liên ha.
要條靚魚。
Ayan ang pinanggalingan natin yan. Ayan o.
Diyan tayo. Hindi tayo nagkakita.
Ayan ang pagi-pagi. Pagi siya. Kasi nga weather is not very good guys. Jonah! We are in Shark Island now guys. Yan, very pagi-pagi. Ayun o, kumukuha siya ng ano, Chona, kumukuha siya ng pangalan yan. Ayun o, oyster. Nanguha siya ng oyster. Oo nga, oo.
Serve